What's it like to write on Google Drive? The official blog of Google shares the practical differences between writing on a computer and doing so on their platform. Find out about how this technology is going to change the way people write in the future. True. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a software application that allows users to create contents, collaborate on presentations and even work on documents and photos. It uses the same storage model as Google Docs and Google Apps. The primary benefit to using Google Drive is that users can work on their documents from any computer as long as they have an active internet connection. They also don't have to transfer files from one location to another. They are stored on the host computer. There are even some nice shortcuts in place depending if the user is using desktop or mobile. Office 365 offers 3 GB of free storage. Tips for writing with Drive. If you're considering writing your next great story, article, or even research project on Google Drive, this is a great time to consider the merits of doing so. It might sound scary at first, but there are interface and computer backup advantages that make it an excellent choice for shorter-term endeavors. Google Drive is a simple and intuitive tool for saving, storing and sharing your work. All files that you store in Google Drive are labeled with the date, time and location of the creation. No guessing when those long-forgotten files were created. As a writer, your book or other text may be your most precious work. Besides minimizing the risk of loss or damage if you store unencrypted or lost to it, you can also send seeds drafts of it directly to any interested reader. Benefits of using Google Drive to write the blog. Using Google Drive allows your blog content to reach an audience all around the world. If readers find your content interesting, they can share it with their friends. Readers are most likely to visit blogs hosted on a popular website, such as WordPress or Blogspot, but remember that you aren't limited to those types of websites. Google Drive is free and offers many additional benefits that you may need, such as hosting files, word processing capabilities and presentation media. Conclusion. When I first downloaded the application onto my Google Drive, I was a little disappointed. My Windows laptop had all of the compatibility tools I needed to write on Google Docs, and without them, it's just not as simple. Not only did it take me longer to get some of my writing done, but it was also a lot more difficult. The editor interface seemed pretty simplistic and lacked fine control attributes that I may have been accustomed to in Microsoft Word. I struggled with my writing projects, and while they may not have been 100%, I was definitely able to complete them. Although, once you do come to fully understand the compatibility, it is highly recommended that you use Google Docs for more than just a simple Google form builder. This should be strongly considered as a cohesive application all on its own, whether for school or personal. The usefulness of Google is only going to continue to grow because of their progressive products like this one and as I've tested others. What's it like to write on Google Drive? One of the wonderful things about Google Drive is how easy it is to upload and share content with others to collaborate in a fluid, productive way. From documents, pictures, videos, and any other type of data you'd typically find with an important project, it can all be saved on your drive. As long as your version on Google Drive is up to date, everyone on the project can see it. What makes these collaborations so revolutionary? Collaborators often use Google Docs to write documents while they work on them at the same time because live editing allows different people to see what others are writing before they make changes. Google Drive is a hub that the users have on the web. They can connect to this app, get it on their phone, and save their work on here. When they are giving reference, they can share the link right away and not worry about saving them in folders. Google Drive is a hub that the users have on the web. They can connect to this app, get it on their phone, and save their work on here. When they are giving reference, they can share the link right away and not worry about saving them in folders.